Did you know that with just a few simple clicks, you can earn up to thousands of dollars every day? And by clicks, I mean clicks literally that take only seconds to do. You can start right now, and this method is 100% free. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and as soon as you do it, you will get your money. This isn't a scam, and I will prove this in this video. So keep watching if you want to know how you can make money in this way. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the future videos we will post. The method I'm going to tell you about today is not only 100% free, but also works regardless of where you are in the world. You can work and receive payments in each and every country. All you need is a phone or computer to make this work. To start making money, you need to first go to this site latium.org. It is a freelancing site and has thousands of registered users. It pays out millions every day in earnings. Almost every kind of work is offered here, and you can make money in endless ways through this site. From graphic designing, to content writing, to SEO optimization, you can do anything you feel you are good at. If you already have an account on this site, good for you. You can click the login button, enter your email or username and password, and you are good to go. Or, you can proceed to log in with your other accounts like Google or your social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram, provided you have them already linked to your account on Latium. In this way, you can start immediately and start offering your services as a seller. However, if you don't have the account yet, you'd have to make it by clicking on the join button given at the top right corner. Once you click it, it will take you to the registration page. The registration costs no money and takes hardly 5 minutes to complete. You just have to enter your email and then click next. Then, you would be asked to set your username and password and you will be done. Once you have signed up, you can start working on the projects that the client posts. For this video, let me show you the most profitable niche I think you should work on. What I have found to be the easiest and quickest way to make money with this site is graphic designing. And by that, I mean logo designing specifically. You can click the graphics and design button showing up in Browse Projects, and it will open up all the projects that fall under this category. You can see that a large number of jobs are available for this kind of work, and the money that each of them offers is also very decent. The pay ranges from $20 to even $1,000 for some projects. You just have to choose any project that requires you to design logos. Now, you might think that just because you're getting paid good money, the work would also have to be very difficult. And also, how are you supposed to do it if you don't even know what graphic designing is? If that is the case, hold on. Don't worry about these things. I know that most of the people watching this video are not experts in this field, and you only have basic knowledge about operating a computer. That is why I've chosen this niche. I would tell you a hack that will do all the work for you. You would only have to submit the work and earn the money if you use the trick I'm going to tell you next. To start earning, you have to first click on any project that you like. After it opens up, you can see all the requirements of the buyer and also the amount of money he is offering. If you like everything that the buyer has to offer, you can submit your offer, and once the client approves it, you can start working right away. Most of your work is already done up to this point. What remains now is very easy and will require little to no effort. To start designing the logo for the client, you have to visit the website freelogodesign.org. As the name suggests, it is completely free to use this site and has millions of design templates already made. All of them are completely copyright free, and you can just copy-paste whatever you like from here. On the homepage of this website, you can see the button that says Logo Ideas. If you click it, you will see the thousands of designs from each category that they already have made for you. But most probably, your client will give you a logo to design that does not exist before. To do this, you have to type in the company name in the search bar given at the bottom of the homepage of freelogodesign.org. After entering the company name, the next thing is selecting the category for the company. A plethora of options will appear in the left window, and you have to choose whatever is the category of the company you would like to design the logo for. You would see a lot of options appearing on your screen for each of the categories you pick. If you don't like any of the available designs, no worry. You can just scroll onto the next page from the bottom and different designs will appear for you. The company name will appear on each logo, and depending on whatever design you like, you can hover your mouse over to it and you would see a choose button. You have to just click it, and this will copy the design onto a new page. By going over to that page, you can even edit the logo you have chosen and can change whatever you want about it. You can alter the size, the color, the shape, and even the text that is written on your logo. After each alteration, you can use the preview button to see how it will appear to you and your client. Once you are satisfied with the edited logo, you have to either click the save or download button given at the top. It will save the logo into the computer or whatever device you are using. And just like that, Within minutes and by spending no money at all, you have created the required logo for your client. You now just have to go back to latium.org and submit it to your buyer. If he likes whatever you have made, he will approve it. If he doesn't, he might tell you to change something. You can change anything immediately by visiting Free Logo Design once again and resubmit once done. Having made the required changes, your client will accept the delivery and you will get paid. The whole process takes hardly 10 minutes to complete, and you can do this multiple times a day. This means there is no limit to how much you can potentially earn each day just by doing some simple clicks. If you want to ramp up your earnings even more, I would suggest you expand your work to other sites too. Sites like Fiverr and Freelancer.com are at the top of the freelancing market and have millions of buyers that are looking to get their logos designed. To tap this market, you'd have to again only create a free account on either Fiverr or Freelancer.com, and by doing that, you can reach thousands of potential buyers for your offered service. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you have understood whatever I have taught you in this video. I suppose now you can also start logo designing and earn the money you might have never had if you have not watched this video. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!